The KTM Duke 390 is one of the most popular naked street bikes in its segment, and for good reason. It features a sharp, aggressive design with bold orange and black colors that instantly grab attention. Under the hood, it's powered by a 373cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that produces around 43 horsepower, delivering thrilling performance both in city traffic and on open highways. What makes the Duke 390 stand out is its lightweight chassis and advanced suspension setup, which provide excellent handling and a smooth ride even on twisty roads. The bike comes equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster, offering all essential info like speed, RPM, gear position, and fuel level in a clear layout. Safety is also prioritized with a strong braking system featuring ABS on both wheels, ensuring confident stops in any condition. Additionally, the LED headlight and taillight add to its modern, aggressive look while improving visibility. Whether you're a beginner looking for a sporty ride or an experienced rider who wants a nimble, powerful bike for daily commutes and weekend adventures, the KTM Duke 390 offers a perfect balance of style, performance, and technology.